Let's see how to add numbers from 0 to 9 in a list.
Beginners add numbers to the list be like.
First we need to create a list. In this case, I named it numbers. And simply create for loop with I in range of 10. It will return all the numbers from 0 to 9, and we want to add those numbers into our list with append function. Let's print what the result is. Alright, we got the numbers from 0 to 9.
Experts add numbers to the list be like.
Let's make a list again here, but did not create another new line for the for loop. Instead, we create the for loop inside our list. The only thing we need to do to add values to the list is to specify the value before the for loop. Let's print the numbers and see what the output is. Oops, syntax error. What's going wrong? Oh, there is a silly mistake. I forget to type in. Alright, there you can see the same output. If you do not provide value here, you will definitely get an error. So do not forget to mention the value before the for loop. And you can use any function for the element before the for loop.